So I would say अगर आपको जॉब चाहिए तो skills दिखाओ, right? Cybersecurity is hiring, it's not hopping. So there are people who are looking to hop jobs from one company to another company without working on their skills. Maybe you can get one job or two jobs, but you cannot survive that way with that strategy. So अगर आपको job चाहिए तो skills दिखाओ, okay? Work on it. So this is what I was talking about. When if you're not kind of starting your career, I have taken the lowest salary range for a fresher, which I'm seeing from all the organizations which are hiring people at L1 level. And you are not starting for maybe some higher salary expectations because your friends have got some higher salaries, or you have some other expectations, or maybe you are working for government exams, but you are not able to clear it. Uh, or maybe like no, you are having location constraints. That's why like no, you want a job in your home location only. There's nothing wrong in it, by the way. But that everyone wants, by the way, correct? I mean, even when so just to give an example, I'm basically from UP, right? But currently I'm sitting in Bangalore. I have traveled all the states wherever I got the job opportunity. For that reason, I was in Chennai, I was in Delhi, I was in Pune, I was in Bangalore. I'm now back to Bangalore, right? So what does it mean? Is wherever you get that opportunity, try to encash it first, and then you can, I mean, you can settle down anytime in your career. That is absolutely going to be the ultimate objective for every person, right? Everyone wants to get settled, everyone wants to get married, like no, everyone wants to take care of families, everyone wants to take a home, right? But there is a time for it. But if you're not doing it as a fresher, suppose if you get at maybe a job of 3.6 lakhs per annum, which is your CTC or package, which many people say that it is less, but you see the magic of it. I'll just show you its magic also, what it can do for you. It's not about 3.6 lakhs. This 3.6 becomes 36 lakhs rupees also. But the first step is you have to, I mean, get onto a job. So if you're getting a job of 30,000 rupees, every day you are going to make 1,000. Maybe you can run your own show if you cannot do for your anything for your family, but you can run your show, right? On top of it, your experience, whatever you are going to get, nobody is going to give you for free, correct? So you will acquire that. So 1,000 rupees sitting idle every day without a job is your loss. On top of it, if you're not working, nobody is going to give you a experience for free, and every company is asking for experienced professionals, right? So if you'll ask me, I will say that, okay, start your career. Like, do not think about your how much package you are getting. I will show one magic, some like no the real magic which I have seen via my students. I will show that also in upcoming slides. But it works a lot. It works tremendously. You have to only start. That's very, very important. So if you are sitting idle and if you have not done anything, please just do this maths. 1,000 is your loss for today. Okay. The more you delay every year, as I said, 15 lakhs engineers, and then or that 40 lakhs people, they are your competition. It is very, very difficult to win the race. Believe me, and it's very, very tough. That's why you, maybe if some of you are not getting job from last 2-3 years, 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, this is the root cause. There are a lot of people who are your competition and they're doing better than you, right? So you have to realize that fact. Okay, now what should I do? Okay, I have been talking so much. You can ask me, enough hearing you. What should I do now? So entry is the most important. Okay, so I always tell this example to all my, maybe the people whom I talk to or they talk to me. I just give this example. As of now, you are dreaming about getting getting a ticket of an AC ticket in a train to complete your journey. But though you are getting a general ticket, by the way, easily, you are not preferring that. But please trust me, both of these tickets will get you to the same destination. And that's very, very important. So, so if there is an urgency, right? I mean, if there is some personal family emergency, whatever ticket you get, you go ahead, right? Treat your career as with that emergency. Because if you are waiting for that AC ticket to get confirmed, it may take some time, right? But it will still take you to the same destination. If someone like some personal medical emergency, if it happens, as I said, right, whatever ticket you get, you don't even care, right? You take all that pain. So this is the time of pain, absorbing that pain. Go ahead and kickstart it. And I'm telling you, I have all the live examples. I have all my live people. I have written some articles also about them on my LinkedIn. You can connect to them. All these are verifiable people. No bluff or no fancy data I'm going to show, and it's all true. It works.